Good day everyone, we are the Group 4 and we will be reporting about the policy system of Myanmar.
Okay, ako na si Jace Labaho niya. Mga report of Myanmar Police Force. Ang police system nila kay centralized sa Myanmar, kay Myanmar Police Force mao na mga at that time the police force was known as the Burma Police, was recognized as the police force pag 1964 na na-recognize ang police force ng People Police Force kay gi-establish niya of 1964 as independent department under the Ministry of Home Affairs. It was recognition October 1, 1995 and formally became part of the Tatmadaw is the official name of the Armed Forces of Myanmar. Sa Armed Forces of Myanmar kay translate of Tatmadaw. O sa akong nakuha dahil sa based on my research kaya akong nabasahan sa Myanmar. Okay, based on my research ay ang kuan ay ang centralized mga lower rank na kay mag-be sila sa ug unsay mando sa mga high rank mutuma na mga lower rank niya sa og matawag na ang centralized og okay, national in scope kay base mo na siya tukuha niya. Naripuno si Margatti sa mong report.
So, based sa yung kuan, sa yung report na may mapuno. So, Myanmar Police Force, dire daw ang country, sa history lang, kuan siya ng boundary siya sa India o Bangladesh, nya China o Thailand. So, bali, tunga siya. Bali, between ba? So, boundary siya sa India o Bangladesh, nya China o Thailand. So, kani Myanmar, formerly known as Burma. So, ang colonize ng Myanmar kay mga British people for about 124 years. So, from 1824 to 1948. So, pag 1948, January 4, 1948, sa Burma Independence Act of 1947, nakamit nilang Independence Day. So, dagan pa mga debate silang name kay dagan man kanang based sa akong na research, di ba, ang military under sa government if there is sa Philippines, pero dito daw ang military modern ang kuan kanang dako-dako, bali ang government under sa military based lang sa research. So ilang language Burmese, ilang population kay kuan tanan tao population nila kay for karon lang 57 million daw based sa research. So kaning Myanmar dato ni sa mga natural resources like jade, gems, oil, natural gas, leak, and other minerals. Nya, pag 1899 daw, ang military government officially changed the English translation of names dating back to Burma's colonial period or earlier, including that of the country itself. So, Burma became Myanmar. Pero, kaning renaming, ang kaning pag-ilis sa Myanmar, nahog siya, kanang remain, di mo siya consistent issue ba, kay dagang mga political o ethnic opposition groups o countries kanang nag-continue gyapon gamit og Burma kay tungod anang wala nila na recognize ang legitimacy or authority of the military government. So ang tawag do sa the countries of official full name is Republic of the Union of Myanmar. So nahogi po kanang kuan controversial ang pag-ilis sa Myanmar ba kay tungod dili wala sila kanang kuan kanang dili sila nagasundo sa government or military. So mao na. Let's move on the organizational structure nga report ni Crusher.
So, organizational structure. Headquarters. Headquarters is headed by Police Major General, and headquarters are responsible for the proper command, control, and monitor the all departments of the Myanmar Police Force. So, in Myanmar Police Force, there are 14 state and divisional police force. So, each state and divisional police force there are 4 components. The Office of the Commander of the State and Divisional Police Force, the Office of the Commander and the District Police Force, Office of the Commander of the Township Police Force, and the police stations. So, kaning Office of the Commander of the State and Divisional Police Force, they are responsible to command and control the law enforcement operations within the region. So, the same with the Office of the Commander of the District Police Force, they are responsible for the command and law enforcement within that certain district only. And sa township sad, ang ilang jurisdiction is within the certain town rasad. And ang kaning police stations under ni siya sa office of the commander of the township police force. So, departments, there are 4 components of departments. The Criminal Investigation Department, Special Branch, Railway Police Force, and City Development Police Force. The Criminal Investigation Department, muna sila ang mo-detect o mag-investigate sa mga serious crimes, and naasa na sila ka ng responsibility to keep sa mga records sa mga convicted. And kaning Special Branch, they are responsible for the detection and information on the kanang people and political leagues nga maka-ruin sa state o kanang parihaan ng mga movements sa mga religious peoples ingana. And most na sila mo issue og passport sa kanang mga Myanmar citizens living abroad. So Railway Police Force, they will provide safeguard and patrol railway stations in Myanmar. And City Development Police Force, they will secure and maintain the rules and regulations stipulated by the City Development Committee. Mausa na sila ang secure sa mga buildings, mga farms, and parks nga gipanag-iya sa City Development. So, Training Center. Central Training Institute of Myanmar Police Force is divided into 2 police training depot. The number 1 police training depot and the number 2 police training depot. The number 1 police training depot, muna sila provide og mga basic trainings for new recruits, and they can only serve 1 region. And ang ilahang gi-focus is kanang trainings for kanang law enforcement while ang sa number 2 police training depot, ang ilang i-provide nga training is kanang mga advanced trainings pariha ng mga specialized investigations, tactical trainings, leadership development for promotion for higher rank o kanang sa kanang mga SWATs. And ang ilang i-serve is kung sa number 1 police depot makaserve sila sa only 1 region, ang kaning number 2 is pwede sila makaserve sa laing region. So, reserve units. Ang kaning mga reserve units, ready ni sila i-deploy when there is a need of additional law enforcement support o kanang sa mga emergency response. So, na-trained ni sila for kanang mga counter-terrorism, kanang mga hostage rescue, mo na sila ang kuhaon. So, there are 2 components of reserve units, the highway patrol units and the oilfield security units. So, kaning highway patrol units, mo na sila ang mo-enforce ang mga traffic laws and regulations, and mo na sila yung mo-respond sa mga traffic accidents, and they will also prevent and address sa kanang mga criminal activities within the highways of Myanmar, parihaan ng drug trafficking, mga vehicle theft. So, and overall, ang ilang kanang duty is to provide safety in the highways of Myanmar. So, kaning oilfield security units kay kanang confidential siya, wala ko ina kanang kuha nga mga, wala siya public available information about So, public battalions, muna sila ang responsible for riot suppressions and provide security of head of the state guest parihaan ng, for example, kanang president sa lain nga country ni visit sa Myanmar. So, muna sila ang mo-provide og security. And most na sila ang mo-provide og safeguard sa mga important roads, bridges, industries, and factories sa Myanmar.
Let's move forward sa Myanmar Police Force ranking system. Na sila tulo ka types: senior commission officer, o non-commission officer. Ang police major general up to police colonel sila tulo, mo na sila yung mga senior commission officers. Nya, there is a police lieutenant colonel o up to second lieutenant, mo na sila yung mga commissioned officer. Nya, sa police warrant officer up to police lance corporal, mo na sila yung mga non-commissioned. Police major. Ang kanyang police major, mo na siya pinakadako niya, head sa headquarters mo sa dyan pag naminaw mo ni Tosyo kay na-explain to niya. Nya kaning police brigadier general o police colonel mauna sila ga kuana ning commander of state o divisional, sila ang gakupot ana. Nya ang kaning police lieutenant colonel kay siya gakupot sa commander of district police force. Sa police major kay siya gakupot sa township police force. Nya ang kaning police captain, siya ang gakupot sa police station, siya ang head dito. Nya ang police lieutenant o police second lieutenant under niya sa captain, murag so kanang masugo-sugoon ba. Nya kaning police warrant officer, kuha ni sila maintain, locating, arresting, active warrant. Sila ang kanang mo-maintain sa warrant, sila mo padagan. Nya sa police sergeant, typically manage a group of officer and supervise their report. Unsay lang report ila ihatag sa dako nila. Nya sa corporal, supervise the performance of police personnel under, siya mag-supervise sa lance corporal, ang kaning police corporal. Nya police lance corporal man ay pinaka-lowong yung lang rank. Murarag sa Pilipinas pa patrolman ana.
So let's proceed sa training and qualification. So nata 11 nga qualification para ma-eligible ta sa police sa Myanmar. So first sa educational qualification. So na ito to qualification nga pwede na ma-eligible. So sa police constable must be a primary school completed or higher. Ang kuan ni sa graduate lang ka sa elementary, pwede na ka kanang ma-eligible or pwede ka mag-apply sa police constable. So higher ranks require higher level of education such as bachelor's degree. So dapat na kay kanang holders ka sa bachelor's degree ba. Ang example ani nga kuan nga bachelor of science and public safety. So mao na mga course nga dapat eskwelahan sa mga mo-apply para sa higher ranks. So sa age and citizenships, so must be a citizens of Myanmar. So dapat citizens sa Myanmar niya. Ang entrance age kay 18 years old niya, ang age retirement kay 60 years old. So ang height and weight for male and female, so sa male 5'6" ang height, sa female 5'4". Nya sa weight lang male and female 65 sa male and 56 kg sa female. So sa physical fitness, dapat physically fit and mentally fit data dere. So dapat ang imong body mass index normal, dili below normal, dili kanang above normal. So dapat normal ang BMI dere. So dapat masama clean record in our of good moral character. Ibig sa graduate ka sa naka-higher rank, kanang graduate ka bachelor's degree, pero nakay ka ng criminal record or batay mong kanang moral character, so dili ka eligible sa kwan sa kaning uma-apply og police kay ilang ipangita good moral character man nya, clean record. So sunod kay must be proficient in Burmese language and at least have a knowledge of other regional language of English. So dapat proficient ta sa ilang language kay mamo na tong source o kanang kwan maka-communicate ta sa mga tao dito sa Myanmar. So at least kanang kay bawat ta mo proficient sa language of English kay mo man kanang di ba overall na to nga naibawan di lang sa Philippines o sa tanan sa di ba ang English nga language. So successful candidates will generally undergo police training including procedures, use of firearms, criminal investigation, etc. So one niya sa trainings. So itong example ni Trosyo ganiya. So ang mga successful candidates mo nila og training sa number 1 police training depot o sa depot niya, number 2 police training depot. So sunod, must pass the written exams, interview and other assessment. So, ang candidates daw, typically, amo go through a selection process which is kaning written exams, interview, and other assessments para makasud sila sa police minor police force so mag-apply sila. So, mo ni ang trainings and qualification sa Myanmar Police Force. So, mo to tanan guys ang mga report about Myanmar. So, I hope nga namoy nakatunan.
Thank you.
Thank you.